Hi guys, welcome to Maths Cube. Today we are attempting the first question of the C3 paper June 2015, which is relevant to the new spec P3 or P2 you can say. This is a trigonometric function question which states that given that tan theta equal to P, so this is a piece of information they have given us where P is a constant and P is not equal to plus or minus. Use standard trigonometric identities to find in terms of P. So that's our A part, B, C. So we'll do the A part first, which is tan 2 theta. So before starting, what I guys before starting, what I want to recommend to you guys is you should be able to write all the identities down, which is helpful. So you have to write every bit of information, whatever you know, so that it can be helpful in the coming question or in the present question. So here I've written two piece of or basically one piece of identity here, which is tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and we know that tan theta is P from our question below. Now what I want you guys to do is basically substitute tan theta equal to P as P, because they're asking us to find in terms of P. So substitute this P, that's this P, into every tan theta or tan square theta you see, and that's our first answer. If you're wondering how did we get P square, basically I show you that tan square, we got tan square theta below, so that's tan square theta below, and we know tan theta is P, so this will be P square. And for the B part, I want you to do the same thing, just write out all the identities you know. This is the identity I came up for the second part, tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta, and I'll show you why. Because sec square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. If you don't know, 1 upon cos theta is sec theta, and we have sec square theta, so this will be 1 upon cos square theta. Now what I'll do is basically I'll just basically take this cos square theta and move it right there and bring tan square theta plus 1 to cos square theta, basically cross multiplying in terms of cross multiplying. As you can see, I've moved everything into the right place, but the question is not finished yet, because the B part is asking us to find cos theta and not cos square theta. So what we'll do is we'll just square both of these sides, and this will leave us with root of 1 upon tan square theta plus, and not yet completed because we have to bring everything in terms of P. So we know that tan theta is P, so tan square theta will be P square. So the answer will be root of 1 upon P square plus 1. And that's, we are done with the B part. Now moving on to the C one. We have been given cot bracket theta minus 45, but what I'll do is I'll change cot to tan. So how will we change cot to tan is, so 1 upon tan second tan theta is cot theta, and I'll just expand the brackets. When we expand tan theta minus 45, we will get tan theta plus tan 45 degrees upon 1 plus tan theta tan 45 degrees. But what you guys know that we are dividing 1 by tan theta, so this thing here, this whole thing here will switch upside down. The end result will be 1 plus tan theta tan 45 degrees upon tan theta minus tan 45 degrees. One more thing guys, we know that tan theta and theta equal to 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is 1. So we'll substitute whatever we find tan 45 with 1. And to finish this answer with substituting P wherever we find tan theta, and our final answer will look like 1 plus p upon p minus 1, and that's how you get your all 6 marks in. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video and understood the method. Stay tuned for more videos like these.